You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with long multiplication. The final result is 5,242,880. Let's solve it step by step. Rewrite the numbers from top to bottom aligned to the right, multiply the numbers using long multiplication method. 6 times 5 equals 30. Because the result is greater than 9, carry the 3 to the tens place. 3 plus 7 times 5 equals 38. Because the result is greater than 9, carry the 3 to the hundreds place. 3 plus 5 times 5 equals 28. Because the result is greater than 9, carry the 2 to the thousands place. 2 plus 8 times 5 equals 42. Because the result is greater than 9, carry the 4 to the 10,000s place. 4 plus 4 times 5 equals 24. Because the result is greater than 9, carry the 2 to the 100,000s place. 2 plus 0 times 5 equals 2. 1 times 5 equals 5. And so the final result is 5,242,880.